March 4th, 2018. Just went and wired all the relays on the relay board in the greenhouse on the Raspberry Pi, and just pulled this program over from the Pi inside here where I was doing some relay testing. And so I just dug up and executed my script for looping. I don't have them all on. I've only got 3 GPIO ports in this program, but I got the loop running. We're going to go see if the relays are responding. And so here we are in the greenhouse, and it appears those 3 relays are responding. I'm so glad I played around with this a bit inside on the inside stove Pi. Got a chance to get a little more familiar with this, and I'm a bit rusty. I haven't done this in oh boy, about a year, but I'm glad I wrote some basic code and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and modify that script now and make it run for testing all 8 relays. We'll get those responding, and then we'll start figuring out fans and lights to hook to these relays, and we'll start writing some code to make decisions based on temperatures and whatever data, and make decisions to turn fans, lights, etc. on and off. Pretty excited. This has been what I've been gearing for a long time to do with this. It's just taken a massive learning curve for me. I was not very familiar with digital circuits, one-wire sensors, databases, SQL statements, wiring GPIO pins, I2C, down the list. I've learned so much. So shout out to my friends who've helped me with that, especially Ted and Aaron. You guys have been instrumental in helping me learn all this stuff, so thank you both for your help. It is greatly appreciated. And I guess we'll clip off here, and after I get the 8 relays running, I'll maybe get another clip here. Alright, well, I've rewritten the code to run all 8 relays, and it seems to be running the loop. So let's go to the greenhouse and have a look. Well, it appears that code is correct. We're able to sequence through all 8 relays, and then shut them off, reset them, sequence through them again. That's a pretty good feeling. I wrote that up in, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So getting better at writing Python code, that feels good. And now we have to figure out how to configure, well, first we have to interface relays to the 12-volt bus for the fan, and, well, for the couple different fans, and for the lighting. And then we have to write the temperature variables into the Python code to switch the fans on and off at appropriate times for appropriate reasons. So there's a lot more to do here, but it feels good to have kind of breezed through the relay connections and have that working correctly. Anyway, thought you'd appreciate this, and yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. If this is something that interests you, or something that you think someone you know might be interested in, please pass it along to them. Please like and subscribe as appropriate. Well, one other thing to note here, it's interesting that driving the relays actually takes the power draw up a little bit on the Pi, so that's something I wasn't expecting quite as dramatic. They're all off right now. That's 1 on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes from 5.95 watts up to 9 point something, 9.5 I think it is. .512 looks like. Interesting. Well, so that's something to consider in our power factor as we move forward. Anyway, thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.